Today we are going to prank Jack with, so you can see this on TikTok, but you get spaghetti, like raw spaghetti. And then
I prank Jack by running away.
And then like you go like this, and then you crack it. So we're gonna do that today.
Yeah, Jack's in the studio right now.
Yeah.
He's up there in the studio.
Alright, Jack!
No, but we have to go up to him.
Yep, he's all the way up to the studio.
Wait, guys, Brian, wait, I need to be, guys, I need to be right next to Brian so I can see. I need to be.
Alright, Jack!
Jack's in the studio. What is he doing?
Hey, Jack.
Are you working on another video idea?
I've been meaning to ask you to crack my back.
Okay.
Are you busy?
Yeah. Hey, Jack, come crack my
Doing
back.
your math?
No, he's writing ideas for a video.
Okay.
Oh my God! What the?
We just killed
You cracked his back. I heard it go like.
Wait, you ready? Play drums. Oh, you. God.
All right, guys, that was just a long short.
Wait, Mateo.
Yeah, that's what she said, but yeah.
We're rich.
Thanks for watching, guys.